Hello everyone, it is Tuesday, and that means it's Trash Talk Tuesday, and I'm Mo, and he's Dr. Murphy, and we pick a topic and we just trash it, and that's what we do.
My favorite day.
Yes, so let's go ahead and commence the trashing. Are you ready?
Trash away.
So today what I thought we could talk about is what we should know about hydroxychloroquine. Is it quinine or quine? Hydroxychloroquine.
It's actually never been pronounced either way.
Hydroxychloroquine is basically something that everybody's been talking about now for the last month or so. There were a few doctors that came out that said that they had used it to treat patients with COVID and that they had seen some positive results, that it had shown to be useful in some of their cases. Then our president said that it could also work. He's been known to just say, hey, these are some things that might work.
Like ingested bleach.
Like ingesting bleach, I guess, or whatever. Anyway.
It'll work. It'll get you sterile.
You be clean.
Might kill the host.
It might kill the host. But anyway, didn't they say, now I got to be honest, this guy
ingested bleach.
He does not have COVID, thankfully.
Nah.
But
he's a bleacher.
The thing is, now some people, I actually never watched the clip, so I don't want to say that I don't even know exactly what he said, but a lot of people said, that's not exactly what he said.
It's not.
But either way, I think it's good to talk about these things and just know some information. Nobody's telling you got to do this, okay? So basically they talked about how this could be a potential treatment. Can you talk to us a little bit about it?
You know, this drug, hydroxychloroquine,
what does it do?
It's been around a long, long time. Big safety margin to it. And while the FDA is coming down on it saying, it's got some adverse cardiac risk factors, blah, blah, blah. Every drug has that, okay?
Yeah.
I mean, my God, erythromycin has it, zithromycin has it. They all have it, okay? So I think a lot of it's probably legal disclaimers written in by the attorneys, in my opinion, but I always thought this drug was incredibly safe, and I've actually prescribed this drug, not for this virus, but years ago for treatment of arthritis and stuff. And really good safety profile. I've never had an adverse reaction from using it, but we used to use it a lot in the treatment of psoriasis and psoriatic arthritis and different arthropathies, rheumatoid arthritis. Yeah. It's a very, very potent anti-inflammatory. I mean, this thing really calms down the inflammatory response from the human body. And I think it has a lot to interruption with the virus replication and multiplication of the virus. So it blocks a lot of things and it slows it down. I think it gives your body time to fight the virus. Is really what it does more than anything. So it allows your body, gives it a chance, a fighting chance to do it. And I'm telling you, look at the studies of this thing. I mean, even though they're not your classic scientific studies, I mean, just common sense, looking at the raw data, it's just like, wow, this is going to work. This is going to be
helpful.
Good. And then you have people on the other side that trash it. Oh, you're killing them. No, you're not. You're not killing. They haven't killed anybody yet. So the people that are trash talking the.
Can you OD on this stuff?
I'm sure you can OD on anything.
Yeah, because they said somebody died from it, but it sounded like he OD'd on it. He just wasn't, maybe even actually prescribed it.
He might have got it, from the black market. Who knows? But still, out of there's probably been, how many people have taken this drug in the United States over the last 20 years? Probably 500,000, I would estimate. Okay. Yeah. And one person dies of it. That's a safe drug.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm good with it. I like the drug. I think it's ought to be readily available for people that would like to try it. It's relatively benign. Yeah. Why not?
Give them that option.
There was, in this one study I read, that people that were actively taking it, not for the virus, but for another medical reason, none of them came down with this virus. None of them had it. That doesn't mean they weren't exposed to it, but they did not.
They didn't have it.
Yeah, they didn't have the effect of the virus.
Yeah.
So I'm sitting there thinking, wow, this is good. This is good raw data. I think we have to go back and study it once all this nonsense boils down and take a closer look and do some well-designed studies to see if there's really a good efficacy here. Because if it is, it'll spawn a bunch of different new therapies for these drugs in the future.
Yeah.
So
We kind of talked about that the other day. It'll be kind of interesting to see all the research that's being done around this, what else it leads to being able to treat and help. Because they always find something, like one medicine, they're like, well, we didn't make it for this. It turns out it does this instead.
Yeah, there's just one pharmaceutical company, Gilead, and they coming out with this new antiviral. They've been trying to push it. Remdesivir, I think is the name of it, and it's for treatment of COVID, and they're really pushing the studies really hard right now. What a lot of people don't know is they also have a drug for treatment of hepatitis that costs $84,000 a dose. Yeah, for one dose.
That's outrageous.
It is, but in third world countries, you can get it for $100.
Oh, well.
Yeah, so they're nice to those people. But if you're in the United States, yeah, you're going to pay $84,000.
Jack.
Yeah, but that's not for hydroxychloroquine. That's for a different drug. But I think these pharmaceutical companies really want their drugs to sell, their new drugs to sell. And hydroxychloroquine is generic. It's cheap.
Okay.
Dirt cheap.
Well, that's pretty good information.
Yeah, I like
You
it.
answered all my questions, actually, too.
Okay.
So I was going through. I don't have any other follow-ups.
Yeah, don't drink bleach. Don't ingest it. Don't inject
drink
it.
bleach. Don't spray Lysol up your nose. I just got to take my sinus medication.
Yeah.
My Lysol poppers. So,
What was it? Tide Bombs?
Tide pods.
Is that what they were?
Tide pods.
Yeah, people are eating those things.
Yeah, I mean, that's where we live in. There are always going to be people who are chomping at the bit to eat chemicals. I don't know why. Well, so anyway.
No Tide Poppers, they don't work either.
Yeah. All right, everyone. That's pretty much everything. So,
Awesome.
if you have any questions, let us know. But look it up. It might work. And if not, let's hope you don't ever have to know. So.
And one other thing, the sooner they started these people on hydroxychloroquine, the faster results. There was a couple of the raw data that came out, and if they waited till the last, breath before they gave this drug, it helped. But the ones that started it early, like, oh yeah, you definitely are gonna have this viral thing.
Yeah.
Beautiful results.
Oh, that's cool. Okay.
So I like it.
Cool. All right, everyone. Well, that is your Trash Talk Tuesday. We didn't really trash it.
No, we just kind of informed. That's an info.
Yeah, that was a dog talk.
That was a dog talk.
Well, let's just I'm going to brand this as a dog talk officially.
Okay.
All right, everyone. Well, if you have something you want us to trash, let us know, because we love to trash. We just haven't been able to do it effectively lately.
No, it's been too much of this virus thing.
Too much virus. All right. Well, everyone, have a great week, and we will see you Friday for Free Advice Friday.